Every time your application pings an AI model, it burns through tokens. In modern development, those API calls add up fast, turning routine data pipelines into substantial infrastructure costs. This repository shows a viral plugin called Ponytail AI. Over 41,000 developers have starred this project because it promises significant savings on token usage. The plugin works by compressing the context window before your code reaches the server. Smaller prompts mean less processing time, lower latency, and cheaper API fees. But look closely at what happens when we run this code. We need to investigate whether this aggressive compression is actually safe, or if it's breaking the application logic to save a few pennies. We are going to audit this plugin because dropping unverified optimization tools into your workspace is a reliable way to introduce silent vulnerabilities straight into production. To start the audit, open your command palette and search for the plugin marketplace. Once you find Ponytail, install the package. You'll see the terminal extract the dependencies, and then you just reload your workspace to apply the changes. Before we test Ponytail, let's look at the baseline for safe token reduction. This is the documentation for a different tool called Caveman, which claims to cut 65% of tokens safely. When we test Caveman in the terminal, you can see exactly how it achieves those savings. It strips out conversational filler like, "How can I help you today?" outputting only the raw code or data requested. That is the standard for legitimate optimization. It removes the conversational wrapper, but leaves your core engineering request entirely intact. Now, let's run the exact same test on Ponytail AI. In the chat sidebar, we're asking it to generate a production-grade email validation script in plain JavaScript. A standard uncompressed AI model outputs a complete feature set. It builds the security logic required for real environments, including DNS lookups and disposable email domain blocking. Here is Ponytail's output for that exact same prompt. It generates a basic, 5-line regular expression that ignores the production requirements entirely. In fact, if we look at the generated user registration script, the AI literally left a warning comment admitting that the code fails to handle critical edge cases. We see the same behavior in front-end generation. On the right is a complete Angular material component. On the left, Ponytail skipped the UI library and output a single line of plain HTML. By skipping these production requirements, the plugin achieves its financial savings through the silent removal of essential security safeguards and user interface logic. To prove this, we need to bypass the main editor window and inspect the background processes running inside the IDE. If we dig into the terminal logs, we find Ponytail's internal decision-making. Right here, the plugin openly admits to deliberately skipping edge cases for efficiency. The user-facing interface masks this behavior, displaying a notification banner celebrating over 4,000 tokens saved. This is the difference between true compression and truncation. True compression shrinks the data size while preserving the output. Truncation simply deletes the data altogether. You are paying less API money today because the AI is writing a highly fragile application, resulting in mounting technical debt. The fix requires cleaning up the development environment. Open your settings and navigate to the extensions dashboard. Locate the Ponytail AI plugin in the list and click Remove. Make sure to keep your safe tools like Caveman enabled. By uninstalling the lazy code generator, your AI models will return to their standard operating parameters, writing complete, robust functions. Regularly auditing your workspace extensions is the most reliable defense against automated code degradation. With the workspace secured, the code you deploy will have the necessary validation checks, mitigating the risk of database pollution and security flaws. This brings us to the core rule of AI development. Short-term savings are never worth permanent structural flaws. It's smart to optimize costs by eliminating chat bloat, but never by compromising your application's structural logic. You can find the links to the demonstrated repositories in the description. Test them in your own environment, audit your extensions, and keep your workspace secure.